Hey guys, it's iTechnology back on our video, and today we'll be restoring this destroyed iPhone 5. So this is the phone we're going to be looking at today. This is an iPhone 5 16GB on iOS 10.0.2. Now as you can see here, the battery and screen have been removed because the battery is completely cooked and the screen is a complete scam, and I'll explain a little bit about that later on. But for now, this is the iPhone in its completely restored state. As you can see, it's been changed to white color because that was its original color, and also I wanted it to be able to match it when it shows up in iTunes and iCloud. So as you can see here from the listing, I bought this as an iCloud locked phone because the screen looks great. It doesn't look like it had any defects with it. So I went ahead and purchased it so to use the screen for some of my other broken phones that needed a new screen. But as you can see here, minutes after the deal, many lines started appearing on the screen, as you can see here on the second picture, and the whole touch screen on the right side would not work. And obviously I contacted the seller about it, and the seller obviously would not budge. So I really couldn't do anything about it. So when I got home, I just put it aside and continued on with my daily life, until one day I just thought, hey, why not, let's just try a new screen which is fully working on it, to see if I would be able to check if the phone is really iCloud locked. So I managed to put my test screen onto it, set up everything, and to my surprise, it was iCloud unlocked and wasn't locked at all. So what I'm guessing is that the phone has been reset and the seller was trying to set up the phone, but however was obviously getting no luck because of that side of the phone not functioning, and he wasn't able to set it up, and he did not know if the phone was iCloud locked or not, so he just sold it as iCloud locked just to be safe. So to restore this phone into working condition, I'll be using this white, actually iCloud locked phone with a pretty screwed up screen, but the touch screen and most part of the functional screen still works, so I'll just live with it for now. And all that we'll be doing will be switching both the motherboards. So the one with the iCloud unlocked will go into the white housing, and the iCloud locked phone will go into the black housing. So this is the end result. I know, it's not in the best condition, but hey, it works and it's good enough for me. And anyways, I won't be selling this phone either, as it is on a pretty rare version of iOS. This is a 16GB white iPhone 5 running iOS 10.0.2. Maybe in the future, if I have the time and money to do it, I'll definitely be giving this phone a complete overhaul to restore it back into its original brand new condition. But for now, it works fine. The discolored screen can also only be seen on complete white backgrounds, and for me, that's good enough for me. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are just about to hit 200 subscribers. Thank you to all of you that actually subscribe and watch my content. I really appreciate all of you guys. And also, if you want, leave a like and also comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.